And moving on to our final example, D, we've got x cubed plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So again, we start off, what can I multiply x plus 2 by to get x cubed? Well, we know if we multiply by x squared, we'll get x cubed. So we write that down. X squared times our denominator, remembering to keep it balanced by dividing by the denominator. So the x squared times x gives me x cubed, so we can tick that off. Now working our way down, it jumps straight to a constant term, meaning that we've got no x squared and we've got no x terms. However, when I multiply this out, it's giving me plus 2x squared. So we don't want this plus 2x squared. So how do we get rid of it to make it 0? Well, we'll subtract 2x squared. It'd be easy to just put that here, minus 2x squared. However, you have to check, can I use my denominator to get minus 2x squared? So can this be multiplied by anything to get minus 2x squared? And the answer is yes. If we multiply by minus 2x, then we'll get minus 2x squared. So we write that in. And again, keep it balanced. So I've got positive 2x squared, which I don't want, but I'm now getting rid of it by subtracting 2x squared, so they'll disappear. Okay. However, so I've dealt with this, but I've now got another extra term of minus 4x here. When I multiply these two together, it's giving me minus 4x. I don't have any x terms here, so to get rid of minus 4x and bring it up to 0, I want to add 4x. Again, you must check, can your denominator be multiplied by anything to give you this plus 4x? And again, the answer is yes. If we multiply by positive 4, then we'll get plus 4x. So 4 times my denominator, divide through by the denominator. And there we go. I had minus 4x, I've now got rid of that by adding 4x. So just to double check that I've dealt with all these terms, yes, I've got my x cubed, I've got a 2x squared, but I've now got rid of it by subtracting 2x squared. I had a minus 4x, I've now got rid of it by adding 4x. And my final leftover term is plus 8. Now I don't want plus 8, I want plus 1. Okay, I can't use my denominator to get anything because my constant is a degree below the x. So I'm at positive 8, I want to get down to positive 1, so all that's left for me to do is subtract 7. And again, keep that over the denominator. Alright, easy bit now as we do our cancelling. And we're left with x squared here, minus 2x, plus 4, minus 7 over x plus 2. And that is your final answer.